Here we have a 72-foot Hatteras. Typically these will have bigger strut bearings. Usually to get the bearing out, you have to drop the prop. We have what's called our drifts, which are a 2-part metal tube with a larger diameter ring at one end. And then we have larger horseshoes that fit on the front and rear of the strut. We use hydraulic presses to slide them out. They don't always come out that easy. A lot of times you do have to beat them or cut them out if they're really difficult. There's a couple shaft log bearings that you would cut in 4 different places all the way through, and they still won't come out because they were pro-setted or bonded in with glue. And the best thing you can do is rip them apart and hope you have enough room on the inside to stick in a large piece of metal and slam them out. But usually when they do come out, the new one usually just goes right back in. They do need to stay wet to keep their lubrication going, because if the water can't get to them, they will straight up burn and destroy themselves, and then they can heat up and burn your shaft and cause it to deform, which is a lot of money to get fixed, because not only is that, you could end up to breaking your shaft, and if your shaft breaks, you're probably going to lose the prop or damage your strut inside, which can damage the engine mount, damage your coupling, damage your shaft log. So the best thing you can do is keep the bearing clear, make sure your zings are installed nice and neat, at least 18 inches or up the shaft. Usually bearings can last a while, a couple years depending on use, because bearings are honestly the most preventative maintenance you can do on a boat to keep everything running smoothly, is keeping good bearings in your boat. And then the next person will deal with it about 5 years down the line.